This is a wood chipper shredder machine from Sullia Enterprises, designed to efficiently reduce the size and volume of various waste materials. It's ideal for managing municipal solid waste, industrial waste, and even hazardous waste through effective shredding. Specifications: the machine is powered by a robust 13 HP engine with a 459 cc capacity and a rotation speed of 3600 rpm. Comes with a 5-liter petrol tank and is easily portable with its built-in wheels. Working and features: if the shredder gets jammed during operation, both the front and rear panels can be opened for quick and easy clearing. Use only pure petrol, no oil mixing. Oil should be changed after every 30 hours of use. The blade is reversible and can be fixed on either side when required. To start the machine, ensure it's powered on and not overloaded. Wet waste is processed more quickly than dry waste. Maintenance tips: always use pure petrol, do not mix with oil. In case of a jam, access the internal components by opening the front or back covers. Regularly apply grease to the blade area for smoother operation. To change oil, open either of the drain caps. Tilt the machine slightly to remove old oil, then refill with fresh oil. Safety precautions: never place your hands near the feed opening or blades while the machine is running. Avoid overloading the machine to prevent damage. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with the friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more practical farming ideas and agri-tech updates.